Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your kenndeby, and in today's video I'm going to be customizing a tip closure for you and showing you the guideline you need to know why you are ventilating something like this and when you want to create a Tfrontal customization. So you can materials we are needing for this work. So one materials is your ventilating pin. So this is your ventilator. Second one is your marking chalk. So this is what you need is a measuring tape or a ruler, measuring tape. So this is what I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. The measurements we are going to be taking here. So what we are going to be needing now is the measurement here is half, that is one. Then we are going to be looking for the middle part. So let's go like this. So this is your measuring tape here, and here we have, let's start from when so that it could be accurate. So this is here, this is 1 inch. Then what is the middle point? The middle point is going to be around here. This should be the middle part. That is what we are going to be working with. So let's check the length. It's going to be, so yes, 5.5 to this place, 5.5. Then we measure half also. This is half, making 6. So our pattern is going to be a kenndeby closure, which is this. So you're going to mark that place. From here to here is 6, which is the size of a kenndeby closure. All we have to do now is to trace the line, which is the middle point. Trace it down the middle point. So when you are ventilating, you ventilate on this. Maybe you leave 2 lines or 1 line here, and the half, this is the half. So you want to take a C, where the pattern is going to last, that is the lasting point. This is here. So all you have to do now is to make a demarcation, which is going to be like this, to the place the air stop. That is because this, you know, if other size is 13 by 13, yes, 13. So this, it has already been measured, is 13, and yeah. So all you have to do now is to trace your points out. So yeah, so everything you are going to be ventilating must not pass this. When you measure this place now, it's going to be here, from here to here. From this point to this is half, and here to is half, here to is half, then here to is half. Work, trace it out. This should stand as a demarcation to your ventilation. So yeah, you want to make sure your hand is very, very comfy. So yes, so this is it. This is what we are ventilating. This is what we are working with. So we're going to be ventilating on this side, and this is the middle part. So this is our Tfrontal, and this is the actual measurement you need to take while doing this. So yeah, so let's go straight to our ventilating and what we are going to be doing. You know, you're going to be working with the bundle. So I make sure that while winging this, I put aside what I'm going to be ventilating with, and yeah. So let's cut the tips and let's start our ventilation. So what you have to do now is to prep your the bundles. Then what you want to do is cut the tips. So this is the strand you're going to be working with. So let's remove the wefts, that is the smaller pieces. It is not needed while you are ventilating. So you want to do the prepping of the air you are working with. And another thing in Tfrontal is that when you're ventilating, you take more than 2 strands, that is 3 to 4 strands in this, so that it will cover this part. For those of us that want clarity on how to ventilate, if you are a beginner in ventilation, then you should sign up for my online class, which is for the basic class. I'll be putting the description down on how to access the course on the description box. So let's go straight to our ventilation. So what you want to do now is to start ventilating, and I'm going to be using, you want to make sure that the air, like, you want it to fall to the back, and you add the base and the other part also. So you want it to be clean. So let's go straight to our ventilation. So I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be using, for the back part, I'm going to be using in between method. using double splits. So you want to be careful at this area. You need to be very, very careful, because all you need now is to you want to fill up the back part. You don't want the thread to be showing. That's why we want to be ventilating this side, and we want our hair to look natural as possible. So this is what I'm doing. This video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys. So now I'm waiting for monetization. So guys, keep every minute to like and subscribe. I love you guys. So yeah.
So guys, here I'm done with one side of the hair, and I want this place to be visible as possible. That's why I have to raise my phone up so that you guys can see what I'm doing in this video. So as you can see, we are done with one side of the hair, and we are going to be doing the back part and the side part. You know, I told you that we are going to be leaving the two line for the parting. You can decide to leave one line or two line, anyhow you wish. So this part I'm going to be using in between method, using double split, and I'm going to be going on a vertical method. If you are a basis, if you are a ventilator, or you are an expert in ventilator, you should know the pattern of ventilation and the knotting techniques I am talking about. The knotting techniques I'm using in this video is a double split knotting, while the pattern is a vertical pattern using in between method. So that is what I'm going to be using in this video. You can see clearly, if you don't use that pattern, that place will be scanty, and we want our base to be as full as possible. So guys, if you know you want me to make a video on how to ventilate the different patterns, you can put it down, you can drop it down in the comment section, or you apply it. Everything has been discussed in my online class, which is very affordable for everybody. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So what I need to do now is start ventilating using the pattern.
So guys, you can see this space that I pick one, you can see it's scanty, so I have to lose it. So I've started this space now. This space is I'm filling all rows, you can see. So yes, this is the method I'm going to be using till I reach this space and come back later. The method I used in this video, so just check it. You can see I'm following the vertical method. In the vertical method, you can see, and I filled all the holes. So when you look closer, you can see that the holes are filled. All the holes were filled. So that is the method. You skip this line, then you ventilate on this until you get it.
So guys, I don't want this video to be very, very long. So I've gone off camera and do the hair. So this part is necessary for me to show in this video. That is why I'm going to be explaining in details. So we have go on the when we get to the front part, I went to the side part and started the vertical method. When you look at the video closely, you could see what I'm saying. So all you have to do is start your ventilation, and you know that when you're ventilating, one side will be longer than one, and you need to be careful in this hairline area because that is the main work here. So I make sure I follow the vertical method and using double split method. So it's still the same method, vertical method. You skip one row and you start ventilating other side. So I hope you get values in this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, and guys, we are monetized now. Please do wait to watch my ad, because that's where we generate some income too. So thank you guys, I love you all. Just put it down in the comment section what you feel about this hairstyle. Watch to the end, and I know that you will be blessed in Jesus' name. So thank you. Bye bye. So guys, we've done with the whole air, we've done with our ventilation, and this is how your air should be while you stop ventilating, when you stop ventilating. And this is how the finished look like, because I'm working with a blend air, and this air is actually for sales. And yeah, if you are interested, you can put it down in the comment section. Also, I'm going to get back to you and tell you the details on how the gear is going to be. So guys, this what I'm going with is my brush. You can see, make sure you make the you want to make sure the hair is very straight and silky while combing it out. And yeah guys, this is how the front of the hair is looking like. So tell me, will you try this? Is this something you can try? Yes, if I can do it, you all can do it. So that is one thing you should always tell yourself, you can do it. So yes, so this is how our ventilation is looking like. You can see how silky the air is looking like. Yes, and this is the final look of the air. So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.